Hello everyone! Another card kit unboxing. This one, the limited edition Halloween kit from Simon Says Stamp. See if I can get it out of here. Already having difficulties. This is not a part of Simon's monthly card kit subscription. It is limited edition while supplies last during the month of STAMPtember. So excited. More candy. Love. Love. So, with this kit, there are a whole bunch of exciting things. But what I'm really excited about is there is this adorable stamp set. This is the Spook Up Some Fun 6x8 stamp set. Love it. Cute little pumpkins, little ghosts, sentiments, a little witch with her, you know, shoes and hat. I love the spider webs. Love it. So cute. So there's the stamp set. There are 3 mini stencils included in this kit. So we have the BATTY stencil, the creepy ghost frame. I like how they call it creepy. I think it's really cute. And then the skeleton faces stencil. And let's just go like that so you guys can see it. So yeah, 3 stencils. Bats, the ghost frame, and I think the skeleton one is so cute. So you've got the little skeleton, and then you can have little faces. I think that's just so adorable. So adorable. So because they're stencils, there is also a container of Brutus Monroe glitter glaze. This is the glow-in-the-dark glitter glaze. I think I used this last year in my Halloween series. I think it was last year, so I've got a container of this. Really, really fun. It has a really fine glitter to it, like really fine. And it's not so much about the sparkle, it's the like glow-in-the-dark part of it that I just love. So you get a container of that. You get a palette knife to use the glitter glaze over the stencils. And then you get other really, really fun things. So you get a bottle of multimedia matte adhesive. Love this adhesive. You also get this pack of, these are the Holtz Idea-ology Creepy Eyes. These are neat. Like, those are so neat. I just want to do these like on a background. I think that'd be so fun. You know? So you get a whole pack of those. You get some Simon Says Stamp envelopes. So like a black, metallic, the orange. I think this is off-white. Off-white. And they're all self-sealing envelopes. So you get those. There are some KRAFT bags. And these aren't like thin either. Like they're nice. They're not the really super thin ones. So you can decorate these up, stencil on them, etc. and make them into cute little like Halloween things. Or you could also do like the little like tea lights, the battery operated tea lights, and like die cut in them too. That could be really fun. So you get that. You also get one of these self-sealing little bags as well that you can like decorate up, fill with little goodies, fill with those little eyes. That would look really cute too. So you get one of those. And then there is a whole pack of, this is Carta and Ephemera, the Happy Halloween ephemera. And there's a ton in here. Does it say how many? 33 pieces. And there's kind of that more like vintage classic style. And like a lot of these you can pop them out. So you've got like the frame and then the image and whatnot, and like these would be cute on tags, cards, decorate the little, you know, bags with these, etc. Like, so many. So many. Really, really cute. So there's a bunch of those. And then there is this pattern paper, which I also think is Carta. I don't have a sheet with this one that's lists, but I'll have it all like listed. And again, really like vintagey. I think that's so cute. So cute. like little pumpkins. Always like the stripes. You can cut these down for cards as well. And tags and all that fun stuff. I like the spiderweb paper. Love it. Ooh, I like the colors of that. Really like that. Loads of fun. So you get that. This will be more Tim Holtz foil cardstock on the KRAFT backing. So this is embossable, etc. Die cut easily. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You also get a couple more of these. I think this is also Idea-ology. So you get some like black jute with like all the natural fibers, and then a couple of the metal little tags, and this one, Beware and Fright. So you could like wrap this around a card or one of the little bags, have that hanging. Just cute. So you get those, and then you get some Simon cardstock. We've got some gray, some ivory, some orange and black. Love, love, love. So much fun. So this is the limited edition Halloween kit. I will link to the kit. I'll link to everything that is available individually as well, because this kit, once it sells out, it's gone. It's, like I said, it's not part of the monthly card kit subscription. This is just a limited edition STAMPtember Halloween kit. So I wanted to quickly like unbox it and show it to you guys, because in years past, the kits usually sell out before I can even like think straight. But yeah, I think Simon really stocked up on this one, so I'm going to hopefully get some time to like create and make some fun little cards using this stuff. It's so much fun. So there will be links below the video, as well as to my blog post, and I'll have like picture links and everything, so you can check that out below if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, for thumbs upping, commenting. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all very soon in the next video.